Honey, go open the present. Can you discover it? Come on. What is it?
Mommy!
It's a baby sack.
Stuff.
Baby set! Yay!
Whoa!
Flip it over.
Look at all the stuff in there, Lo.
Can I play with it? Can I play with it?
Look at it. It has 2 strollers, a diaper bag, a mat, a seat, and a monitor so you can hear the baby.
I want to play
Show
with
Sissy.
it, Mommy.
Show
I
Sissy.
want to play with it.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, I want to play with it.
I'm sure.
After you open your present.
Oh, do you like your baby set that Santa brought you?
Yeah.